Digital COO is an AI-powered Chief Operating Officer for delivery execution. In less than 5 minutes, it tells a leader what changed, what is blocked, what is risky, and the fastest evidence-backed action to fix it. We start with a role-aware sign-in. For this demo, Sophia Matthew is a delivery head, so Digital COO opens the highest priority view first, the client portfolio. This matters for service organizations, because one leader may own multiple clients, squads, and escalations at the same time. The client portfolio view immediately answers where leadership attention is needed. It compares client accounts, shows critical risk signals, blocked work, escalations, overloaded people, confidence, and evidence count. Instead of waiting for manual status calls, the leader gets an operating view in one place. Now we drill into squad execution. Digital COO connects the portfolio risk to the actual squad, owners, blockers, workload, and recovery actions. This is where the system becomes more than a dashboard. It translates scattered work signals into a decision path. The same cockpit supports multiple scenario lenses. In release risk mode, it focuses on readiness, validation blockers, and go or no-go actions. In team overload mode, it finds concentrated work and recommends a rebalance path. In customer escalation mode, it separates pressure from proof and suggests the safest client response. In dependency blocker mode, it names the blocking owner, waiting work, and fastest unblock action. Next, the person risk profile shows who needs attention and why. A lead does not see everyone randomly, access follows hierarchy. Managers see reportees, workload risk, blocked tasks, owned risks, dependencies, and recommended actions. This is important because execution failure often starts when too many urgent items are concentrated on one person. My risk profile turns the insight into ownership. Each person can see their own priorities, active risks, and evidence-backed recommended actions. That makes the product useful not only for executives, but also for project managers, leads, and developers. The AI layer is a coordinated 10-agent workflow, not one chatbot. Communication, task intelligence, priority ranking, risk and blocker detection, business insight, recommendation, evidence validation, capacity rebalancing, client impact forecasting, and the executive supervisor all work together. The supervisor combines the agent outputs into a decision-ready answer. The activity feed shows how the operating picture changes as work signals arrive. Completed tasks, new blockers, escalations, workload pressure, and agent outputs are normalized into the same decision flow. Finally, the COO report closes the loop. It summarizes what changed, what is blocked, what is risky, what action should happen next, who owns it, what evidence supports it, and how confident the system is. That is the core value of Digital COO: faster decisions, earlier risk detection, clearer ownership, and evidence-backed execution. It gives leaders the operational intelligence of a chief operating officer, delivered digitally, continuously, and at the speed of modern delivery.